It's that time again where Dad is out grilling live for Monument Grills, this time at a Wild Fork Foods in St. Pete, Florida. No time for fancy intros. It's time to cook. But I'm not out there just to cook. I'm giving away stuff. We're giving away a grill, hot sauces, rubs, a bunch of fun stuff. But to do that, I gotta cook some food. My weapon of choice this day, the Mesa 415 BZ. It's got a side burner, it's got 4 burners, and a sear burner. Everything I need to cook for a lot of people. With the short ribs grilling away, it is time to work on the truffle demi-glaze for the pork chops. This sauce comes straight out of Wild Fork and is fantastic. Throw it in a pan and just heat it up. Perfect and easy. On the grill, I have some Korean-style flanken-cut short ribs. I did a special marinade for it. Recipe is on the website. All the links will be in the description. Super easy. You just grill them hot and fast. Nothing to it. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Next up, I got some thick-cut Berkshire pork chops with a Chicago steak seasoning on them. We're doing with a truffle demi-glaze. That's the short ribs on the left and the chops on the right. And we started to get a crowd before the event was even supposed to start. We were already serving up food before I even finished getting the chicken with the garlic lemon parsley sauce grilled up. It was just amazingly busy. It doesn't get any easier than cooking these thighs. You hit them with some lemon pepper, grill them over the heat, hot and fast, chop them up, toss them in the sauce, and you will have some of the best chicken you ever had. If you ever wondered if a 4-burner grill was gonna be big enough for you, I gotta say, I cooked a lot of food on this grill this day, and I had plenty of space. Utilizing the top rack and the bottom rack and moving things around, we probably served 300 to 500 people, over 100 pounds of food. No problem with that 4-burner. It went like this for hours. Cook, serve, spin the wheel, win chicken rub, win hot sauce, win barbecue tools, win everything. People were just having a fantastic time, but it was hard to keep up. We are out here still grilling. We are running out of food. This thing is crazy. Everybody is loving the grill. The Mesa is doing its job. We are having a great time. Monument Grills. What'd you get?
Sauce.
Sauce? Actually, you got the grill. You guys just won that grill.
Are you serious?
I'm 100% serious.
What? That's amazing.
Yes.
What?
Yep.
Oh, let's go.
That is a Monument 200R. It's a 2-burner grill.
Okay.
It's just like this grill, but it's only got 2 burners.
Sold.
And it's got the window and it's red.
Yes.
That's his favorite
Yes.
color.
That's
You can see it's the pictures on the front, on the little corner right there. You can see there's the color.
That is so exciting.
Are you freaking out right now?
Are you freaking out?
This is awesome. Thank you. This is
Well,
great.
I'm so glad you guys came out. Thank you for supporting
Thank
it.
you.
So what brought you guys out here today?
We were driving through over to the Saturday market and we saw the little situation happening. We looked it up online, saw you guys were having a grand opening, and we were just talking about, how we were going to do our meal prep and stuff for the week. And we're like, hey, this is going to be some nice, actual good meat. We walked inside and, that's how it all worked out from there.
And you end up walking away with a grill.
With the whole
Will
grill.
that fit in your car?
That's
Just
crazy.
barely.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm sure you'll figure out how to.
Yeah, we have a little hatchback, but
You'll make it fit, right?
Absolutely.
Well, congratulations. Thank you
you.
guys so much. That's awesome. We're going to take some photos, and he's going to have you sign a form.
Of course, yeah.
Go for it. Enjoy your grill.
That's amazing.
And that is the event. I hope everybody had a good time. That guy really had a good time who won the grill. He was very happy. Guys, make sure you check out all the links in the description. All the recipes I cooked here today, if you couldn't make it out, are down in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks to Monument Grills for sending me out here. Thank you for Wild Fork Foods for all of the awesome food they provided. If you'd like to get one of these amazing grills, that link will also be in the description. Dad may cook food for lots and lots of people live, but one thing Dad doesn't do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.